Guys, welcome to my vlog. Tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano po mag-set up ng cage. Like and subscribe.
Because when these bodybuilders were attempting a challenge where they had to lift this body with unbalanced weights, not everything went as planned. In the beginning, every single one of them was struggling to lift. Even the biggest guys had some problems with it. You see, in order to lift this thing, your strength won't matter at all. Since this is an unbalanced bar, you have
Unang step, bigyan po natin ng right size of cage ang ating mga ibon. At saka bigyan po natin ng nice box. Nakasya po sila. Tapos po, araw-araw po natin, bigyan po sila ng pagkain nila at tubig nila. At saka pag bibili kayo ng seeds,
hindi mo
dapat
binababad na
1
ganyan.
kilo lang o 2 kilo o kalahating kilo.
Oo.
Kung gusto nyo po magpatulong, dito lang po kayo sa Munting Ibonan. At saka salamat po pala sa subscribers ko po. At saka lagyan nyo po ng lock ang bukasan ng kulungan para hindi sila makatakas. Ang ibon ko kasi ay kinagat ng labasan at saka lumabas. Isasabit na po namin ang kulungan ng ibon at paglalagyan ng ibon.
Wala pa ako sinasabing gila. Oh. Tira mo kung yung taas niyan, tama na. Alin?
Magkasing taas daw.
O sige, hila mo. Huwag mo bibitaw. Iyaharap mo dyan. Bitaw, mamaya natin na ayusin yan.